from the Weather Channel. Today we're going to be talking about Arnold Schwarzenegger because we have a magazine of Arnold Schwarzenegger, and he used to be Mr. Universe. You can see Mr. Universe. It's an interesting thing that they didn't work out their abs that much, but it talks about bodybuilding and a lot of good stuff. Like there he is when he was 15 years old. He was very ripped, but whenever he flexed his muscles, his whole face turned red. It was ridiculous too. And he's with his friends in Hawaii, and it's really, you should get the book. Remember, Arnold Schwarzenegger.
Why don't you tell them the price of the book?
And the price is $3.
Very nice.
Rip off.